check out this 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1968 Chevrolet K20 4x4 pickup. What the deal is the body of this is a 1968 body, and they put it on a 1972 K20 frame suspension. It does have a lift sky jacker shocks. Take a look at the front. Grill chrome, bright work up front. Looks good. You can see they painted it in anniversary gold. If you want to take your time, look through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Steel wheels, center caps, BF Goodrich radials. This truck was just recently restored also, so take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see what I'm saying. It is clean underneath there, nicely done. You can see how nice and straight this is. As far as the panels go, take a look down that passenger side, passenger box side, I should say. Paint has a nice shine to it. Anniversary gold and white combination. Also, as far as the bed of it, spray-in bed liner. We'll look at that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. As we take a look at the rear chrome. Underneath the hood of this one, 400 small block Chev. V8 power. We're going to start it up. Open the hood, let you check it out. On this video, we'll also take this truck for a drive so you can kind of see what it's like to go down the road in it. A virtual ride, I guess, if you will. 410 posi rear end. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look down the driver's side here also. Something you probably can't quite see in the pictures, and I want to point it out a little bit. The paint in the hood, there's a few spots you can see maybe where it's just a little uneven, but again, still has a nice shine to it. I did notice a little bit of orange peel over here on the side. There you can kind of pick it up. Again, being fussy though, just wanted to kind of point that out. Remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You can't take a look at this one yourself, maybe due to distance or time. Not a problem. We, like I said, open door policy. Try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the still pictures and videos. Let's go ahead and move this. Just going to show you. And you'll be able to see in the still pictures the carpeting underneath. So I'm going to leave this in here for now. Keep it from getting dirty at all, but you check out the still pictures. Carpeting's in nice shape. You'll be able to see that. Vinyl seat, vent seat up front. Also good shape, free of rip stairs, holes, sliding glass. Rear window. The rest of the interior looks good. Let's go ahead and pop up in here. We're going to start it up too. Let's hear it run. Aftermarket tack added. See, that is working. It's like a retro sound style radio too. Older one. Or it looks older than it is. See if it works.
Fine.
Working order.
It's a Monday anyway, so.
There's the fuel gauge is working. Oil pressure gauge working. We have over here battery and temp. That wasn't cold to start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Nice responsive throttle. Slip around to the back seat. Hear this run. Door closes nicely. Sounds good. Sounds good, looks good. This one returns some heads. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Who doesn't like a nice 4x4 pickup? All right, let me pause this 1 second. Let's get this hood open. check out that engine bay, and we'll go to the driving video. Get a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. And again, you can see that this is recently restored. Look at brand new master cylinder, booster. Look at the headers, paint, everything on this engine, Holly carb, 4-barrel, power steering. Nice setup underneath there. Aluminum radiator, Optima battery, heater hose is still connected. Sounds good, looks good. Once again, 400 small block Chev. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726 where you can call in to inquire about this truck. 1968 Chevrolet K20 4x4 with a lift. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet K20 pickup. Very nice pickup. Very nice exhaust note on this truck. It's an automatic on the column. It is 4-wheel drive. Good acceleration in this truck. Both our turn signal indicators do function. Tachometer in the dash is working, speedometer as well. Fuel gauge is showing about half of a tank. Battery is charging above halfway on the gauge. Got a little bit of play in the steering wheel. Temperature is about a third of the way from cold on the gauge, which is just right. Oil pressure is 3/4 of the way, also just right. Blower motor works on this truck. Nice ride, just firm enough. You know it's a truck, but it's not a harsh ride. Probably my favorite Chevrolet body style. I say that, but then there's the 55 to 57s, which are awesome. A lot of great looking vehicles out there. This is just one of them. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays right where you put it. Very comfortable, easy to drive, good looking Chevy truck. I like the stance on this truck. If you see the outside, the way the wheels are situated, looks really good. Vinyl bench seat is comfortable.